Homemade cordials are all the rage at the moment, and I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry mocktail. You'll need lots of raspberries, beautiful fresh raspberries just like this one, and we're going to place them into a bowl. So about 500 grams of raspberries. You can also do this with other berries like blueberries and blackberries. I just love the colour of the raspberries though. So into a bowl. And this also has the name of cordial shrubs. And the reason it's called that is because we're going to be adding a little vinegar. Now, it may seem a little odd, but the vinegar really extracts as much flavour as possible out of these raspberries and gives it a bit of a funkiness. It's really delicious. Into this, I'm going to add some lemon thyme. So I'll add a few sprigs to that. I mean, just that is just gorgeous, those colours together. Some sugar. It is a cordial after all, so we need 1 cup of caster sugar over the top. And the sugar is not only going to sweeten it and make it a cordial, but it is going to extract the natural flavours out of those gorgeous raspberries. So we're going to mix it with a spoon first, and then get your hands in there and squeeze the raspberries. This is so much fun doing this, a little therapeutic too. And by doing that, you're really giving the fruit a head start on the maceration. I'll just wipe my hands and I'll add some vinegar. So there's different types of shrubs out there that actually call for quite a lot of vinegar, and I think it's overpowering. All you need is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to make a difference. So that goes in, we'll stir that through, and now this goes into the fridge. So we'll cover that with some Glad wrap, so nice and tight. And you want to leave this in the fridge overnight just so we extract as much cordial as possible. You can leave it up to 2 to 3 days if you like though. So here's one that was made yesterday, and you can see how much juice comes out of those gorgeous raspberries. And the smell, well, it's like pure essence of raspberries. It's so delicious. And we need to strain this, so we've only got that pure raspberry syrup. So just into another bowl with a sieve on top. We'll pour that in. And you can do this in batches. I've got a big bowl here, so it all goes in. And just with your spoon, just press all of that gorgeous liquid out. And that's how you make the most amazing cordial from raspberries. All right, that's plenty. Now, we've got to make a drink out of this gorgeous syrup. So I've got myself some beautiful glasses. Look how retro they are. I actually got these from a second-hand store, and I just think they're fantastic for cocktails or even mocktails, which is what I'm going to be making. So some ice. I've crushed some ice in a food processor. I'll grab a spoon and we'll just add this to each glass. First one, it's like snow. It's just going to keep it all chilled. And we'll add our cordial to each of them. You can make these as sweet as you like. I'm just going to fill them 1/3 of the way up. Oh, that is just gorgeous, isn't it? And just to really show off that lemon thyme that we added, a few sprigs in each. And some mineral water. Now, of course, you can make this alcoholic by adding a little champagne. Maybe some rosé would be fantastic with this. But to be honest, if you really want to taste that true essence of raspberry, just keep it simple with the mineral water. That is a gorgeous little mocktail, a lot of fun. Kids are going to love it too. Homemade raspberry cordial. It's a thing.